Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix two Windows boot managers in Uefi boot menu. Now the first thing I want you to do is come to the bottom left, click on the search bar, and just type in system configuration. Okay, go ahead and open this up, and once this opens up, all I need you to do is come here to the boot section. Now if you have multiple drives, you should see different boot options with different OSs, right? Now I only have one drive, so you'll see this, but I'll show you how to do the deletion process. So what you do, you just click on the other one, and then you click on delete. Okay, make sure you apply and then hit OK. And basically what that would do, it would remove the other one and you would only have the normal boot menu. You would not have two. And it's really that easy, so if you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to Quick Fix.